My name is Anthony Allen. Welcome here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. I upload 3 different types of content: gaming, editing, and online money videos. And here in this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out, how to withdraw your money from PayPal, your PayPal account, to your bank account. So here we are inside of PayPal, and you can see that I have £10 available. I want you to select the transfer money option there. From here, it's asking you how you would like to receive your money. We're going to select the instant option where you can transfer to your bank account or debit card. Here is where your debit card will be displayed, or your bank account. You would select it, then select next. And on the next screen, you'll be given what amount you are actually withdrawing. Then you have additional information for you to review the information that PayPal is making with this transfer from your PayPal balance to your bank account. Select withdraw £10 now, and that's as easy as it is. Your money is on the way, nice and easy. Select done, and your money will be inside your bank account. So if this video has been helpful to you, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel so that you can be notified about when I upload new content for you. I upload 3 different types of content: gaming, editing, and online money videos. You can also find playlists that I've built so you can find the content that you are looking for. And some of that value will be in the end screen that will appear on screen at the end of every video that I upload here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. And that end screen is coming up right now. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.